In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove background in Adobe Express. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to adobe.com/express. Just sign in to your Adobe account. Now on Adobe Express homepage, in the top menu, you will find option Quick Actions. Just click on it. Now under Image Quick Actions, you will find an option Remove Background. Click on Remove Background option. Now here we need to upload the image from which we need to remove the background. So to do that, click on Upload Your Photo button. A file dialog will open and just select the image from which you need to remove the background. Let's select this image. Now click Open. Now this will take couple of seconds, and once the processing gets over, the background from the image will be removed. Now as you can see, the background from the image is now removed. Now click on Download button and the image will be downloaded to your PC. Here is the image that just converted. So that is how you can remove background from Express. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.